In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Discord server link. By the end, you'll know exactly how to grab the right invite and send it safely to the people you want to join. Start by opening the server in Discord. Make sure you're actually inside the server you want to share, not just on your home or friends tab. On desktop, you'll see your servers in the left sidebar. On mobile or web, you'll see them in your server list. Once you're in the right place and looking at that server's channels, you're ready for the next step. At the very top left of the app window, click the server name. This is the bold title above the channel list. Clicking it opens a small menu specific to that server. If you don't see the name, ensure the channel list is visible and you're not in a pop-out window. From that menu, click Invite People. This brings up the Invite panel, where Discord prepares a shareable link to your server. In many servers, regular members can generate an invite, but if your role is restricted, you might need a moderator or admin to adjust permissions. If you can see the invite panel, you're good to go. Before copying, you can fine-tune how the link behaves. Click Edit Invite Link. This optional settings area lets you control how long the link lasts and how many people can use it. If you want a short, controlled invite, set an expiration time and limit the number of uses. If you're sharing with a larger audience or don't want to keep remaking links, choose a longer duration or the never expire option if it's available. You may also see a setting for temporary membership, which lets people join but removes them if they leave and try to come back without a role. Pick the settings that match your situation, then confirm to return to the main invite panel. Now click Copy. Discord will put the invite link on your clipboard and usually show a quick copied confirmation. If you need to double check, you can paste it into a note to confirm it looks right. Finally, send the link. Paste it into a direct message, a channel where sharing is allowed, or any communication app or email you're using to invite people. Share responsibly. Avoid posting permanent invites in public places if you don't want random users joining, and consider using limited use or expiring links for extra control. That's all there is to it. Open the server, click the server name, choose Invite People, adjust the link if needed, copy it, and send it to your guests. Happy sharing!